Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. This is part 2 of presentation by myself, Brahmadarshana Venkataraman, on InflaPro and systematic withdrawal plan. This presentation will be useful to some financial advisors, startup or entrepreneur of banking, non-banking finance companies, mutual fund, insurance companies looking for innovative method of giving inflation protection to customers without any extra interest burden for the company. In the previous video, the conventional and InflaPro concept from the outcome of an easy example with the help of Google Sheet was discussed and shown that both have exactly identical interest burden. The example considered was investment of rupees 1 lakh with a return annuity or systematic withdrawal plan of 10% per annum every year for a period of 12 years with 100% return of principal at the end of 12th year. In the case of InflaPro, the inflation protection was considered was 6% per annum. The internal rate of interest in both the cases was same as 10%. In case of InflaPro, the first year withdrawal was 7,595 and increased by 6% every year, and by the end of 12th year, the withdrawal was 14,418. In such a scenario, the total disbursement was 2,20,000 and 2,28,000 and odd respectively. The yield in conventional case was 10%, and in case of InflaPro, the yield was 10.677% without any change of internal rate of return. When the internal rate of return is expressed per year, then it is also same as compounded annual growth rate, CAGR. The CAGR is same in both cases, but difference is there is no protection to inflation in conventional case and there is inflation protection in the InflaPro case. Now, let us consider another example of systematic withdrawal plan with investment of rupees 1 crore for a period of 10 years with systematic withdrawal plan of 7.5% per annum per month, that is 62,500 rupees per month, and also with a growth of 240% at the end of the period, that is 2 crore 40 lakhs rupees. The internal rate of return works out to be 13.98903667, say 13.989%. For this 3 decimal accuracy, the figure of monthly systematic withdrawal plan works out to be 62,499.58 per month, approximately 62,500 rupees per month. This 13.989% is arrived at from BNB's web page on reverse SWP InflaPro calculation with suitable input. Let us see about the reverse calculation page later in some other session. For the time being, kindly take it granted we arrive at 13.989%. One can verify from Google Sheet also. In InflaPro case of systematic withdrawal plan with the same set of data with inflation protection of 6% per annum per month, the internal rate of return, that is interest burden to the company, is 13.989%. The first month works out to be the first month withdrawal works out to be 48,994.80 approximately 49,000. Increases regularly at 6% per annum or 0.5% per month over the previous month cumulatively, so that at 120th month withdrawal is 88,697. Say 88,700 rupees. The maturity value of surrender value or return of added principal in any manner whatever call is the same as conventional case of, that is 2 crore 40 lakh rupees. Percentage wise, the systematic withdrawal plan ranges from 5.88% per annum in the first month to 10.644% per annum in 120th month, as against flat 7.5% in the conventional case. Annualized yield in conventional one is 21.500%, and in case of InflaPro, the annualized yield is 22.029% for the same IRR of 13.989% in both the cases. For the monthly systematic withdrawal plan, the number of rows required in Google Sheet is 121 with 0 month as principal investment. For this monthly systematic withdrawal plan, IRR arrived will be the rate per month, and one has to multiply it with a factor of 12 for finding value of IRR per annum. So one has to take sufficient care to enter the formula accordingly. The subsequent pages show the screenshots of Google Sheet for conventional as well as InflaPro. Let us discuss more about these in next publication. The description box below contains also the link for PDF of these pages, so that one can watch these figures leisurely and with more clarity. Thanks for watching. If you like this presentation, please comment, subscribe and share. Thanks.